Good morning, children. Today we will be learning how to create a new file. To create a document using the selected template from the Adobe stock across several categories that includes photo, print, art, illustrations, web, mobile, film and video within the dialog box. Find more templates using the search from more templates on the Adobe stock search button. Quickly access the files, templates and items that you have recently accessed from the Recent tab. Save your own custom presets from the Reuse in the Save tab. Create a blank document using Blank Documents presets. Click on the photo category and select any preset. Change its setting as per your need in the preset details band on the right. Specify the details like name of the image file in the name text box. Set up the size, width and length, height of an image file in the different units of measurement such as pixel, inches, centimeters or points. Specify the value for resolutions to determine the sharpness and clarity of an image in the resolution text box. Mention the color code such as RGB, CMYK or grayscale in the color box mode text box and provide the background of an image by defining either of these three options: white, black or background color in the background content section. Click on the Create button. A new blank Photoshop canvas will be created with a locked background layer in the layer panel. Let us now understand how to insert images. To insert image, we follow the following given steps. Open a new file in the Photoshop CC. Click on the File menu and choose either the Place Embedded or Place Linked option. Here we have selected Place Embedded option. In the Open Place Embedded window, browse and select the image file that you want to insert. Click on the Place button. The image will appear in a grid. Click on the image and drag it to the point where you want to place it within the canvas. You can resize the image by dragging on one of its corner nodes. To rotate the image, hover near the corner node till the rotates cursor appears and then drag it to rotate the image in the clockwise or anti-clockwise direction. When you are satisfied with the placement, size and rotation of the image, double click on the image. You will find that a new layer appears in the Layers panel and where the image is placed. If your Layers panel is not visible, then select Windows, Layers. This is how you can see, and then you just need to place it. Let us know more. Reveal the hidden tools. Some of the tools have small white triangle at the bottom right corner, indicating that more tools of the same kind are available in the pop-up menu. Click on it and view these hidden tools. See children, how many tools are hidden. Now we will learn how to save a file. For this we need to save the document. Use the File Save As option. The Save As dialog box appears. Choose the location and specify a name in the file name text box. Click on the Save option. This is similar to any saving of any document. Now let us understand how we can close a file. Click on the File menu and select the Close button option. The file will be closed. Very simple. This is how we close any applications. Now how to open a file. Click on the File menu and select the Open option. The Open dialog box appears. This is how it will look. Now browse and select the desired file and click on the Open button. The selected file will be opened. Children, let us now learn how to select tools. Selection tools are used to select an image or a part of it to perform cut, copy, edit or retouching operations. Quick view. In Photoshop CC, you cannot undo more than one action using undo command in the edit menu. To do so, press Ctrl plus Alt plus Z key combination. Selection of tools, we will need the following steps. Rectangular Marquee tool. It is used to select an image or a part of it in a rectangular, square, or as a row column that it is 1 pixel wide. Click on the rectangular marquee tool in the tool panel. The cursor appears as a crosshair sign. Place the cursor on the image. Click and hold the left button mouse and then drag out the marquee to select the required part of the picture. You will notice that a dashboard has covered the selected object as shown in the figure. Now right click on the image layer and select the resize layer. Press the delete key. Notice that the selected part of the image is deleted. Tip: do not save the edited image as it will spoil the original one. Know the facts. A selected area is indicated on the screen by blinking selection border called Mercury. Selection tool, lasso tools. The lasso tool is bunch of 3 very useful tools used for freehand selections. Lasso tools, number 2, polygonal lasso tools and magnetic lasso tools. Follow these steps to select a part of the image using the lasso tool. Open any image. Click on the tiny white triangle on the lasso tool icon on the right. Click on the icon. The 3 types of lasso tools will appear. Using lasso tool. Let us first do one by one. Select the lasso tool. Choose on one of the selection options from the options bar. Click the drag and mouse around the part of the image to be selected and mark the selection. See, it looks so beautiful. This is how you will do the selection, because from here we will cut. Release the mouse at the end point. You will notice the selection as shown in the figure. Using polygonal lasso tool. It will make freehand selections, but it's made up of straight segments. Select a polygonal lasso tool. Specify the option using the options bar. Click on the image at any point near the object to be outlined. Click at the position where you want the first straight segment to end. Keep clicking to set the next end points of the subsequent segments is outlined. It looks similar to the earlier lasso tool. We have to again release it at the end point. Close the conquer by clicking at the starting point. We will end where we started. Quick view. When using either lasso or polygonal lasso tool, you can also toggle between the two by pressing the Alt key. Lasso tool using magnetic lasso tool. This is the last tool. When you use this tool, the border snaps off the edges of the defined areas in the image. The magnetic lasso tool is especially useful for quickly selecting objects with complete edges set against high contrast backgrounds. Use the magnetic lasso tool. Click on any part of the image to be selected and drag the mouse pointer around the object to select it. You will find this tool drops fascinating points along the edges. Continue this process till you reach the starting point or double click at the ending point. Now we will reach the ending point or the starting point. Observe the selection as shown in the figure. Children, selection tools, we will have another segment which is known as quick selection tools. As you drag the mouse, the selection expands outward and finds and follows the defined edges in the image automatically. The quick selection tool is useful for selecting the parts of an image which requires great precision to reach. Click on the quick selection tools. Drag the mouse to make the desired selection. Children, please note if the selection tool does not appear in the tool panel, right click on the magic wand tool and then